Hello everyone, I'm Nancy. This is Sannke Precision Machinery Ningbo Company Limited. We are the manufacturer of hydraulic fittings and plugs. For this special year, we take our new brand, Auer, and our new products check valve to the PTC ASIA. We would like to promote our zero leak check valve to the customers. And we would like to be one of representatives of the Made in China to created in China. I think the next growth point will be in the implementation of the industrial 4.0 intelligent system and the intelligent maritime system and the professional transmission solutions on the larger scale with low cost in the hydraulic parts manufacturers. And for instance, our factory has started to transmit the traditional ERP to collocate the equipment data sheet. Our aim now is to have CNC produced products can be finished with self-quality checked online, and which will lead to our products would be a higher passing rate and a higher efficiency in the future. And as so far as we can see, this software technology largely implemented in the coming 10 years. I have confidence on Made in China products. I believe the products produced by Chinese manufacturer will keep its advantage in coming at least 10 years. This is our zero leak check valves, which designed by the soft sealings, and we install on the zero leak, and we install on the 100% check before the delivery. And we have the 4 of the stocks at this moment. First, the greatly reduced cost for intelligent system and the transmission module made our factory in low cost for automatic assembly and automatic check, and reduce the number of the works in our factory. And the second, we will install the solar power on the roof in our factories. That will reduce the carbon emissions. I have attended the PTC ASIA for 7 years. PTC ASIA have given us the hope and the opportunity in the past 30 years. We are very grateful, and I wish PTC have a good future, and I believe we could together grow together with PTC ASIA.